Hi friends, I am Manas from Website Wise. Today in this video, we will learn how to add pop-ups to your website. Now, what are pop-ups? So for you, I have one image. As you can see, while scrolling on internet or while visiting many websites, you may have seen some kinds of pop-ups or some kinds of email or subscribe pop-ups that ask you your email or some offers. It creates awareness. So basically these types of pop-ups that comes after some time or after some seconds are called pop-ups. So if you want to know how to make a pop-up like this in your WordPress website, then you have to follow up with this video. Now to create a pop-up in your WordPress website, you have to search on Google Convertful. So as you can see, you have to open this website, which is convertful.com. Now the all-in-one tool to turn your visitors into leads and sales. So basically this website or this tool will help you to add pop-ups in your website. And above, as you can see, there are multiple pop-ups which you can create in your website. Quiz funnels, welcome video, card abundant, welcome giveaway, follow coupon, and welcome discounts. So this platform is wonderful to create pop-ups in your website. So all you have to do is first of all come above and simply click on get started for free. Now here you can see there are basically 4 plans. You can go with the free plan. So let me click on this button. Now here, first of all, you have to make a free account of Convertful by providing them with your email and simply creating a free account. So once you have made your Convertful free account, you will be on the dashboard of Convertful. Now you have to link your WordPress website to this Convertful account. Now to do this, you have to come back to your WordPress dashboard and you have to add a plugin. So here you have to search the same plugin, which is Convertful. So you have to simply click on install now and then simply activate this plugin. Now you have to connect your WordPress website to Convertful to start using or to start adding pop-ups. For this, you have to click on connect to Convertful. Now it will automatically fetch your account of Convertful, which is this one. So you have to simply click on the approve option. Now my website is finally linked to my Convertful account. Now if you want to add a pop-up, you have to simply click on create widget. And here you will find many pop-ups. Such as for blog, scroll boxes, floating bars, welcome screens. Hence it's up to you to choose the pop-up. Suppose you have an ebook and if you want to promote that ebook on your website with the help of a pop-up, then you can make use of this widget. So you have to click on create pop-up. Now you have to edit this particular box, which is very simple. To change this ebook, you have to click on this and you have to click on change option. And if you want to upload a new file or a new image, you can simply do that by clicking on this option. So currently I have an image. Let me upload this. Now to make some changes in the text, you have to double click. And then as usual, you can change anything you want. Like, now to customize this, you can simply make some changes over here. Like the font style, serif, Georgia, it's up to you. And to make it bold, you have to simply click on bold option. And if you want to decrease the text size, you can do this by decreasing over here. Similarly, you can also make some changes in the description by adding or removing your own text. Now the main part comes over here. If someone clicks on this button, then where he or she will go. And if someone clicks on this no button, where he or she will go. Now to customize this, let me first customize this button. So you have to click on this. And here as you can see, submit, close, link, a custom. You have to click on link option. And then you have to paste that link where you want to send the traffic. After this, you have to click on open it in a new tab. Now let me customize this option. If someone clicks on this button, this whole pop-up will be closed. For this, you have to click on close option. Now you are done. You have to simply click on save changes. Now if you want to increase the width of this whole box, you can also do this. For this, you have to click on this, and here as you can see in the widget settings, you can decrease or increase the width. And along with this, you can also customize this whole pop-up in the mobile version. So here it will look like this. And if you also want to show the image of ebook in the mobile version, you can also do this. For this, you have to click on the desktop icon and then you have to click on this image. Then you have to scroll down and you have to off this option. And then simply click on the save option to completely save this whole pop-up. Now the main part, you have to click on the display rules. Now when this pop-up will appear on your website, you have to set the time and conditions, and for this you can come under this display rules section. So as you can see, show when a visitor intends to leave, so you can make it off. Show when a visitor is inactive for 30 seconds, so it would work fine for you, or if you want you can increase or decrease. And you can also make it on time on page at least 50 seconds. So let me make it now 15 seconds and let me make it off. And show only if, don't show if any other floating widget is currently on. Perfect. The widget was submitted in the last 90 days. It is also good. The widget was closed in the last 2 days. Now these settings are fine for me. It may change in your case. After this, you have to click on save option and then come back to design area. Now this is the first part of a pop-up. As you can see above, form and thank you. So let me delete this option. Delete this part. Now in the thank you section, as you can see, you can customize the page if you want. If you don't want, you can also delete this. Now once you are done with this and want to live this pop-up on your website, all you have to do is simply click on active. Now this pop-up is live on your WordPress website. So let us test now. So now let us test our website. So let us paste the URL. Now we have to wait for some time so that the pop-up can be appear on our website. It is based on the time which you have set in the display rules. So as you can see, the pop-up is working fine on my site. Now, if I am a customer and if I want this ebook, I will simply follow this green button, yes, get the book. And if I will click on this, I will be navigated to the page where I want. And hence in this way, you can easily drive traffic wherever you want. And besides these types of pop-ups, there are multiple pop-ups such as email pop-ups, floating bars, welcome screens. So it depends up to you which pop-up you use. And if you want to remove the watermark of Convertful, you can purchase its plan. Hence, in this way, you can simply add a pop-up to your WordPress website with the help of Convertful plugin or Convertful tool. I hope that you have enjoyed and learned from this video. If you have learned from this video, then make sure that you hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.